Assalamu Walaikum.
Hello friends, how are you?
Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to merge and shape in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then you want to merge picture and shape. At first, go to the Insert menu. Select the picture drop-down menu. Choose this device. Now I am select the image. Click Insert. Then resize the image. Now I am go back again insert menu, select the shape option and choose any shape. Now I am select the oval shape and draw oval. Select the shape and click the shape fill and change the shape fill color. Select the outline, make no outline. Now we want to merge this multiple object. At first select this multiple object, press and hold shift on our keyboard. Now we can see the object is selected, but we want to merge the picture and shape. You can group this, select this group option. You can group the picture and shape. Otherwise you can insert picture into this oval shape. Select the shape and go to the shape fill, choose picture and select the picture from our file and click insert. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for